Now that you know how to build an audience from scratch, I want to show you how you can increase the momentum of this audience being built by leveraging your current followers. So I'm going to do this in two strategies, which is one, competitions. This is where you get people to share your brand in order to win a certain prize. The second strategy is tag your friend too. This is a really cool thing a lot of people on Instagram do, and they get their fans to refer appropriate friends for your business to your account without you having to do much. So I'm going to dive into detail on these two strategies right now. Really quickly before I do, I want to make sure you guys have at least 1,500 to 5,000 followers before you start trying to leverage your followers. You can definitely have more than 5,000 followers, but I would not do any of these strategies if you have less than 1,500 followers, because you're just not going to pick up the traction that you can get by having more than this amount of followers on your Instagram account. And you're better off to wait until you hit this number, or even the more the merrier. And you can do these strategies over and over as your account grows, but just hold out until you have about 1,500 or more Instagram followers before you try these tactics. So the very first tactic is competitions. You can really leverage your fan base by having these competitions, and the prizes don't need to be crazy. They can be small $20 gift cards to your business, 10% off, 50% off, or even just an Amazon gift card is also a popular giveaway. So the one thing you want to be really clear about when you're doing a competition, I'm going to show you an example competition in just a second, but you really want to post the competition rules, and you want to have them firmly set going into this, so there's no confusion or any animosity on your business page. You want to make sure you know the rules and the rules are expressed clearly. So the second thing you want to do is monitor the hashtag. So I'll show you in a second how to have a hashtag dedicated to your competition. And the third thing is announce the competition winner, which you will use the hashtag to search everybody who entered your competition, and then you can call out your favorite or whoever met the criteria of your competition the best. You can direct message them or announce on your Instagram profile the winner. So here is the example we're going to go through together. It's a Instagram profile called Nasty Girl or Nasty Gal, and they're a great business. You can check them out on Instagram. They do really well on Instagram. I think they have 1.7 million followers, and they sell cosmetics and female accessories. So this is one of the competitions that they ran, and it's called Take a Selfie with a Stranger, because they wanted their fans to take a selfie or a photo with a complete stranger and then upload it to Instagram, post it on their personal profile, whoever took the photo, and then tag Nasty Girl and have the hashtag Nasty Girl Truth or Dare in this photo. What this does is it puts their business, Nasty Girl, in front of everybody who participates in this competition's fan base. All their followers get to see it because they're posting their submission onto their Instagram page where everyone can see it. It's a really effective strategy, and I just want to point out, you don't have to go this extravagant. You don't need your fans to take a selfie with a stranger, but it could just be upload a photo of you using our product, upload a photo of yourself. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be extravagant like taking a selfie with a stranger. The second point, which we went over, is making sure you have the hashtag. This is hashtag Nasty Gal Truth or Dare. If you want to enter this competition, you have to tag the photo that you upload with this hashtag. This is because in order to choose the winner, you are going to have to be able to see all of the entrants. And the only way to do this is to click on this hashtag and you search all the photos that have been submitted with this hashtag, and you can see the best one from there. So this is how you will monitor people entering your competition, and this is also how you will pick the winner, because it groups everyone who's put this hashtag on their photo together so you can see them all in one place. The important thing to point out here is don't use a common hashtag. Don't use hashtag fun or hashtag beach or hashtag fashion, because there's going to be so many people posting under these hashtags. You're not going to know which ones are entering your competition and which ones are just using the hashtag as casual users. So you can see this is a complex 5-word hashtag that this business has used. Strongly suggest making it complex. Announcing the winner is really easy. You can update a photo on your profile page with the winner's submission and telling them to direct message you, or you can simply just direct message the winner if you don't really want to promote their photo on your page. Either way works, and I think you'll be really happy with the results you get from these competitions from giving away a small prize. If you can't think of a prize to give away, go with a $25 gift card to your store. It's really the best way to do it. It's one of the cheapest things for you to do, and it's really easy to give them away, and it gets you a new customer for your business at the same time. So that's a really cool way to do a competition and a really cool way to leverage your current followers. The second way to do this is the tag your friend who X, where X can be anything. I'm going to give you an example, like tag your friend who loves pizza, and you've uploaded a photo of pizza because you're a pizzeria and your Instagram account is about your pizzeria. What this does is it gets your current fans to refer people who love pizza. And remember, your current fans are in Miami where your pizza shop is, or they already love pizza, so you know you have the right target market. And you put up a photo of delicious pizza, the caption or even the text on the pizza, similar to Nasty Gal put it over their picture, is tag a friend who loves pizza. If you're in fashion, it could be tag your friend who would love these boots, and have a photo of some awesome boots on the Instagram page. So tag your friend who X is a really, really powerful and really simple way to get extra people to view your Instagram account. The one last thing I'll point out on this is there is a hashtag specifically for this strategy called hashtag tag a friend. This gets a lot of submissions and a lot of people looking over this hashtag, ready to tag a friend. So make sure you use hashtag tag a friend when you're submitting this photo. This is much easier than competitions, and I suggest you try this one to start first and then lead into a competition, which is a little more heavy and a little harder to run. But both of these strategies should see excellent results for your Instagram account, and I'm excited for you guys to try it.